Hello and welcome. So today I'm going to show you the best way to clean an intake manifold and make it look like new again. Now there's multiple ways to do this. A lot of people use chemicals, stuff like that. Try to use carburetor cleaner and sprays, and just doesn't do the trick. Now what I'm about to show you is going to work perfect. Make it look like brand new, sometimes even better than brand new. Now I'm using this TBI intake here from Edelbrock, and as you can see, this thing is extremely dirty and nasty. So it's a good example of how you can make one look from this. And if you guess sandblasting, well, you're correct. We're using glass beads. And I'm going to show you how easy it is and how it comes out. Now the thing about this method is you're going to take your time, slow passes, back and forth, taking it out every once in a while, looking it over, checking everything, and repeating the process. Now you can see just a few minutes, and look how it already looks right here compared to everywhere else. Now we're just going to keep doing this, taking it in and out and looking around, because sometimes you just don't see in the blaster cabinet very well. So you got to knock everything off, take a look at it, and then put it back in, and just keep going. So now, once you're happy with it, take it in and out, look it over outside of the blaster, because, well, it's hard to see in there sometimes. Once that, usually, most people are good and done. I like to take a buffer and just slightly buff this and that surface, as well as the gasket surface. Just clean everything off, make it look like new. If you don't have something that's, well, not too aggressive, and also, if you ain't got a good steady hand, you can put some sandpaper down, clean. That way, just a little bit, you don't want to take off a lot of material. Now remember, this is more of a buffer than it is anything aggressive. So it's just literally shining up stuff. And if you want to get a little extra fancy, I got a little felt belt here. It's going to shine the letters. Then, of course, clean it real good. There it is. Done. Looks a heck of a lot better. Real easy to do. Takes like 30 minutes or so, maybe an hour, depending on the blaster and the air pressure and which actual media you're using to blast it. Now, of course, you know, cleaning off beforehand, all that good stuff, make it easier and all that stuff. You can do that. And if you don't have a blaster, this shouldn't be too much to have someone else blast it for you, because this is a great finish. Now, I'm calling this done. I know a lot of people like to paint them, but I have quite a few reasons I don't paint aluminum or aluminum intakes. I won't get to any of those except for cosmetics. Cosmetically speaking, painting an intake has its problems. One, any kind of fuel leak or anything, well, there's a section of paint ruined. Two, sometimes it blemishes in certain areas and it looks bad in those areas. Three, if you don't properly get the intake perfectly clean, you will actually see splotches where it's darker here, lighter there, and all that good stuff. So just leave it natural. And if you want to polish it, polish it. If you want it to look really even better in it. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching.